Hi, good morning. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. This is Middle School ESOL. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Hope everyone's well. Hope everyone is doing their homework. Let's get started. All right, so yesterday was Monday, April 27th, 2020. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020, and tomorrow will be Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. The weather in Baltimore today, the high temperature will be 59 degrees and the low temperature will be 51 degrees, and it will be cloudy today as well. To remind you, schools to remain closed through May 15th. Las escuelas estarán cerradas hasta el 15 de mayo. Larry Hogan is the governor of Maryland. He is the leader of the state. Governor Hogan of Maryland has ordered that people in Maryland stay home except essential workers. Hay un orden de quedarse en casa, pero sí pueden salir para comprar comida, medicamento, para ir al doctor, para hacer ejercicio, y también los trabajadores esenciales sí pueden salir. So a farmer is an essential worker. A grocery store worker is an essential worker. A cashier is an essential worker. A delivery person is an essential worker. A construction worker is an essential worker. A cleaner is an essential worker. Y para recordarles, there's a stay-at-home order. It was given on March 30th, 2020. Esto es del Twitter del Governor Hogan. Y también dicen que Marylanders must stay at home unless fulfilling an essential function, such as picking up food or medications, seeking urgent medical care, reporting to an essential job, or engaging in outdoor recreation with a safe distance from others. Every Friday, cada viernes, we will be distributing food at Highlandtown 237 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Entonces recomiendo que vengan temprano a las 10 si pueden porque va a haber mucha gente, creo. There's also food at Patterson Park. También hay comida en Patterson Park, en este edificio, the Virginia S. Baker Recreation Center. Pueden recoger comida allá Monday through Friday from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. So there is food at Highlandtown on Fridays, but there is food Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at Patterson Park from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Today, our objective is I can identify fruits and vegetables using a graphic organizer. Yo puedo identificar frutas y vegetales utilizando un graphic organizer. So we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to write, we are going to read, we are going to write, and we are going to text or email a photo of our work to Miss Palomino. So your paper should look like this: April 28th, 2020, the date, a list of vegetables, a list of 10 vegetables, and a list of 10 fruits. Entonces el trabajo que van a entregar va a parecer algo así. All right, fruits and vegetables. Lemons, lemons, lemons. Y lemons son diferentes que limes, limes, limes. Lleva ese al final porque son muchos lemons, muchos lemons, muchos limes, limes, limes. So lemons are yellow, limes are green. Cucumbers, cucumbers, cucumbers. Coconuts, coconuts, coconuts. Cassava, cassava, cassava. Blueberries, blueberries, blueberries. Garlic, garlic, garlic. Avocados, avocados, avocados. Carrots, carrots, carrots. Peaches, peaches, peaches. Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage. Soursop, soursop, soursop. Spinach, spinach, spinach. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. Cherries, cherries, cherries. Cauliflower, cauliflower, cauliflower. Pears, pears, pears. Asparagus, asparagus, asparagus. Plums, plums, plums. Entonces, para revisar, plums, asparagus, pears, cauliflower, cherries, sweet potatoes, cantaloupe, spinach, soursop, cabbage, peaches, carrots, avocados, garlic, blueberries, cassava, coconuts, cucumbers, limes, lemons, lemons, limes, cucumbers, coconuts, cassava, blueberries, garlic, avocados, carrots, peaches, cabbage, soursop, spinach, cantaloupe, sweet potatoes, cherries, cauliflower, pears, asparagus, plums. So today we learned 20 words. We learned 20 words today. Plum, asparagus, pear, cauliflower, cherry, sweet potato, cantaloupe, spinach, soursop, cabbage, peach, carrots, avocado, garlic, blueberry, cassava, coconut, cucumber, lime, lemon. So you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. On your paper, write the date, April 28th, 2020, vegetables, and you will have a list of 10 vegetables, and then another list of fruits with 10 fruits. So with these words, you will put these words into your graphic organizer. Van a poner estas palabras en tu graphic organizer para hoy. You're going to take a photo of your work. Toma una foto del trabajo. Take a photo of your work and send the photo to Miss Palomino. You can email it to me, or you can text it to me on WhatsApp, or you can turn it in on Google Classroom. All right. Entonces, al final, el trabajo debe parecer algo así, pero con palabras, con todas estas palabras. take a photo of your work, send the photo to Miss Palomino. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.